Okay, so today I'm going to be using a website called keybr.com. KEYBR.com. I'm going to be using two keyboards. I'm going to use my ordinary laptop keypad, and I'm going to use my newly bought mechanical keyboard. The way you position your fingers on the keyboard is very, very important. As you can see, I've got very, very short fingers. But even though I've got such short fingers, I'm still able to type at a decent speed. If you look at the different keys on the keyboard, you'll see there's ASDF. Place your left hand on the ASDF keys, and then your right hand you can place on the JKL and semicolon key, right? So this is how your fingers should be positioned in order to type correctly. Your hand positioning on your keyboard is absolutely imperative. Basically, you're accessing these keys. The outer keys, which is the T, the G, and then the B. With your right hand, you're accessing these keys. It's almost at a 45-degree angle. Okay, so keep your fingers in the correct position over the ASDF, JKL semicolon keys. Obviously, the first key that you're going to access is the T. So with your left hand, use your index finger to access the T on the keypad while keeping your hands and fingers in the same positions. It is kind of hard. There I've accessed the T. Next, access the H. If you can see, the H is on the other side, on your right hand side. So you're going to access the H with your index finger on your right hand side. Your ring finger is going to move up at a 45-degree angle. Your thumb is used for space. You're going to use your ring finger to access the W key. Your index finger, H, O for orange, O, space, R, index, E, middle, Q, pinky. Still at a 45-degree angle, you see? Still keeping your hands into position. U, index, E, middle finger, S, ring finger, space, thumb, O, T, H, E, R, space, tall, T, O, L, E, space, H, E, R, space, will, W, I, L, L, space. You see, I'm still keeping my fingers in the same position. This is absolutely fundamental. You, over time, get a bit out of position on the keypad itself with your hands and stuff. But if you just go back to the basics, then you'll improve your typing immensely. Pinky, A, N, D. And that's how you learn how to type and type properly from scratch. Just use the shift for any uppercase letters, for instance. I type better on the ordinary keypad because the key presses are much lower. My fingers are really, really short. KeyBR.com, they also track your statistics on your profile. So as you can see, your all-time statistics for today. And for today, it's been 49 minutes basically, and all-time about 9 hours, 10 minutes, and 27 seconds. The top speed is 65.8 words per minute, and then my average is around about 51.6. For today, my average is around about 53.5 words per minute, and then my top speed is 64.6. And then they've got a graph over here that shows the rate of improvement over here. So they'll give you your speed, for instance, 57.41, and then your accuracy is 94.31, and then they give you some sort of scores. So you start off with the first keys, which is E, N, I, for instance, and then you work your way up right through the whole alphabet. I'm going to use my newly bought mechanical keyboard. And now the ordinary keypad. As you just saw, there's quite a huge variation between the two keyboards and typing speeds. Could be that I'm accustomed to the ordinary keypad on the laptop itself, and I still need to get used to the mechanical keyboard that I'm using since it's still quite new. Now, in my honest opinion, the key press on the mechanical keyboard is much deeper than the ordinary keypad on the laptop. So that's why there's a huge variation between the different typing speeds. All right, guys. So that's it for today. So I hope you guys found some real value. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.